She's such a big name in India that, we call Krishna as God, but she was a lover of him and she became bigger than Krishna, that you say her name before Krishna. You say Radha Krishna, you don't say Krishna Radha. So her name comes before that. The power of love is so much that you say the name of Radha first and then say Krishna. Because when you breach your boundaries, and love is one of the thing in which you can, one of the emotion in which you can breach all your boundaries. When Radha breached all her boundaries, she became bigger than the divine. She's not just divine, she's beyond divine. So all these stories, these characters, and this is all, you don't even worry about whether, you don't care about whether they're real, not real people. You don't have to worry about that. You don't even have to go there. That's a stupid thing. That's logic is playing around and thinking, oh, whether this happened, did not happen. No, forget about that. Look at what is there to see. The beauty is that when you breach your boundaries of who you are and who the other person is, you become bigger than the divine. Sometimes when you forget what your pain is and what other people's pain is, in that compassion, you become bigger than divine.